subscribe to my channel DIY Tutorial and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. Welcome to my channel DIY Tutorials. This is Rami. This will be my first video ever about unboxing on my YouTube channel, so I am quite excited. Well, as you can see, this is the box that I got from Fantom wallet. I have ordered this from USA. Let's see the product details here. This is with coin holder version. The color is red, aluminium. The card capacity is 6 to 10. There are three types of card version. One is 4 to 6, another is 6 to 10, and the third one is 10 to 14 cards. And there are two other versions for coin. One you can have without coin version and another you can have with coin version. I have ordered the coin version one here. This one is for money clip. If you want to carry money, then you have to pay extra $19 for this clip. Let's just unbox the product now. Well, this is the wallet. There is some instruction manual. I really don't need that, I guess. And here it's quite yeah. There is another manual, I guess. I think I don't really need this kind of manual. Here I have two screws with one key, and this thing will go here. Now let's see if it can store all the 10 cards or not, and after storing all the cards, how it works. Does it work perfectly or not? I have here 10 cards. All the cards were size same as debit cards or credit cards. So just put it in here. Oh, it takes some pressure here. Now let's bang it. All the cards were fans nicely except this one. I think it has quite narrow space for 10 cards. Yeah, I'm having problem with this one card here. I think you guys can see it. There is actually two cards. I think I can use without this card. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yeah, it's working well. Let's try it again. No, it's not working well here. So I have to use 9 card here. Yeah, now it's working well. About the coin capacity, let's check it. This is my regular wallet that I use normally. Here I have some coins. Let's find out how many it can hold actually. And this one is my SIM card key. Now let's check it. Coin doesn't come out, neither has this card. I wonder if the card will fall. It doesn't fall either. I think overall this wallet is good. I can reach to first card quite easily, and sorry for that. And last one is quite easy also, but in the middle card I can just get it from here. And after using that I can put it here. Now let's check the money. I have some cash here. Well, I have around 100. I have around 3,000 Dhaka. Let's put it here. Yeah, that's all. It can carry both cash, cards, and at last all the coin. You have to carry this wallet on your front pocket. I have told you almost everything except the price of this wallet. This wallet cost me around $80. So what do you think? Is this the ultimate wallet? Let me know by giving your comment below. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.